but I want to buy more sets. So I want to know what is the advantage of QLQ machine and with other suppliers. What is the advantage of this machine?
Okay, let me explain this to you. Okay. Compared to other surprise injection machine, we have our new injection machine has 3 advantages.
Okay.
So now let me explain one by one. Okay. So the first advantage is that we add the polishing function in this machine.
Okay.
That means after we injection this zipper, we will polishing the zipper. So as you can see, on the surface of the zipper, you cannot see any burrs.
Yeah.
So after injection, this zipper is very safe for our using, right?
Yeah.
It cannot hurt our skin. Okay, so that's very safe. Okay, so the second advantage is that in our new machine, we add a detecting device. Then we can, after sometimes, for example, after we cannot injection well, some keys will lost. Okay, but after the add this device, we can detect well. So you can see when the zipper have the teeth shortage, then we can make a hook sign like this. You can see. Then the worker will know where the teeth have this problem. Okay. So that's very good. The last advantage is that we act automatically fit material fitting hooker.
Okay.
Right. So like in the top of this machine, that means worker no need to put the material and into this machine manually. We just need to this system. Then we can put this material automatically, right? So that's the main 3 advantages of our new machine. So I think your shows is very good.
Yeah.
Then maybe we can sell and we can cooperate more and more in the future.
Yeah, I think this is very good machine.
Yeah.
I want to buy this machine.
Okay, that's great. Thank you for your chance and support.